My name is First Husband Mason. I'll be flying today. Before we get started, I would like to introduce some key members of the crew. With me on the flight deck and Airline Command, we have Captain Belgist, and also here Senior First Officer Dave Harvey. In charge of the old comfort and safety cabin, we have Customer Service Manager Ian Robinson and the Eagle Activity Ray Shelby. So for our flight date, park the westerly runway, we are left turn over San Diego, flying extra to 32,000 feet, and we're towards the Atlantic and Phoenix. If you wish, you can follow our in-flight entertainment system. With this wheel display, you can follow our progress. Please take flight time is 9 hours 25. Do our best to get Heathrow on or ahead of schedule. When there's a little bit of foggy this morning, but it should be very pleasant by the time we arrive.
Super 72 Alpha Heavy Limburg Air traffic, Boeing 737, 7.5 mile final, runway 27, line up and wait.
Up and wait, 27, copy the traffic, Speedbird 21, 72 Alpha.
Super 72 Alpha Heavy, wind calm, runway 27 cleared for takeoff.
Takeoff, runway 27, Speedbird 72 Alpha.
Manager on today's flight to London Heathrow Terminal 5. It's my pleasure to have you on board with us and to welcome back our Executive Club members and our One World frequent flyers. We do recommend that whenever seated you keep your seatbelts loosely fastened. They must also be securely fastened if the overhead seatbelt signs are switched off. very pleasant, west light winds. It's cool, 6 degrees, that's 42 Fahrenheit. Right, quite a nice day. If you're travelling late tonight, just be advised there's a risk of fog and also some freezing fog into the evening, so do go down. For those of you wishing to set your watches to the current local times, it's gone 25 past 1 and we're due to land at 5 past 2. For our descent arrival, we'll be setting ahead to Cardiff, and then Gatwick, over London itself, before landing on the western runways. Expectations are that you know. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the approach. I'll chat to you again on the ground. Thank you.
London, good afternoon. Speedbird 7 to Alpha is radar heading 105, descending level 40, and we're doing 250 knots.
Speedbird 7 to Alpha, thank you. Continue speed to heading. It's about 10 minutes holding at Ockham.
Continue speed heading and copy the 10 minutes hold at Ockham. Speedbird 7 to Alpha.
Speedbird 7 to Alpha, when level back to min, please.
When level min, please speed. Speedbird 7 to Alpha. That'll be 230 knots.
Roger.
Speedbird 7 to Alpha, descend flight level 130.
Descend flight level 130, Speedbird 7 to Alpha.
Speedbird 7 to Alpha, descend flight level 90. Speedbird 7 to Alpha, descend flight level 90.
90 bodies, Speedbird 7 to Alpha.
Speedbird 7 to Alpha, your delay at Ockham is 5 to 10 minutes.
Speedbird 7 to Alpha.
Speedbird 7 to Alpha, your navigation to Ockham to hold, contact Heathrow 134, decimal 975.
To Ockham hold at 134975, Speedbird 7 to Alpha.
Speedbird 7 to Alpha, turn left head 075.
Left heading 075, Speedbird 7 to Alpha.
Speedbird 7 to Alpha, call sign only to direct now on 120 decimal 4.
1234, Speedbird 7 to Alpha. Heathrow direct. Good afternoon, Speedbird 7 to Alpha, 747. Heathrow direct, Speedbird 7 to Alpha.
Speedbird 7 to Alpha.
Please, we're direct to the Ockham hold, we're 747. Information Alpha and QNH 1027. Speedbird 7 to Alpha.
Speedbird 7 to Alpha, hello there, hold it at Ockham, it's 5 minutes.
Speedbird 7 to Alpha.
Speedbird 7 to Alpha, descend flight level 80.
Descend flight level 80, Speedbird 7 to Alpha.
Speedbird 7 to Alpha, complete the pattern, then leave Ockham heading 085.
Complete pattern and heading 085, leave Ockham, Speedbird 7 to Alpha.
Speedbird 7 to Alpha, descend flight level 70.
Descend flight level 70, Speedbird 7 to Alpha. Director, Speedbird 7 to Alpha, radio.
Speedbird 7 to Alpha, your readability 5.
This is eerie quiet, Speedbird 7 to Alpha.
Yes, you'll have lots of company on the next frequency.
We like it quiet.
Okay. Speedbird 7 to Alpha, descend to altitude 4,000 feet, QNH 1027, 26 miles for T7 left.
Descend 4,000 feet, 1027, copy the distance, Speedbird 7 to Alpha.
Speedbird 7 to Alpha, reduce speed 190 knots.
Speed 190 knots, Speedbird 7 to Alpha.
00 degrees, establish localizer, runway 27 left.
Left heading 300, establish localizer 27 left, Speedbird 7 to Alpha.
Speedbird 7 to Alpha, reduce speed 160 knots, maintain till 4, do you mean?
16 knots, hold me, well established, Speedbird 7 to Alpha.
Speedbird 7 to Alpha, thank you, descend flight 1. Speedbird 7 to Alpha, contact the tower, frequency 118 decimal 5, goodbye.
85, Speedbird 27 to Alpha, Billy. Continue 27 to Alpha.
Speedbird 7 to Alpha, clear down 27 left, wind light variable.
Land 27 left, Speedbird 7 to Alpha.
Whiskey Alpha, contact line 21.7, bye-bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to London Heathrow Terminal 5. The time is 2:20 in the afternoon. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten signal sign has been switched off. You may not make or receive calls, towards also that use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. When it's safe to leave your seat, please take care when opening overhead lockers as items might have moved and could fall out and cause injury. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure you have all your personal belongings with you and remember that smoking is not allowed until you have reached the designated area.
Well, the cabin crew, thanks very much. Doors to manual, cross-check. Doors to manual, cross-check.